Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I've been waiting for this thing to get in the mail forever now because it's just been getting delayed through FedEx with, I think there's issues out there in Texas with the weather. But today we actually got the wireless car charger here by Samsung, which actually works with the Galaxy Z series here. So you can use it with the Fold and the Flip. But you can still use this thing with regular phones like the S and O series. So I wanted to go check this thing out because I wanted something like this forever now. So anyway, let's just get into the video. So y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and this should be actually something pretty good for me because recently I just started doing DoorDash and Instacart, like not even that long ago. And look at this, I'm literally getting an order just as I'm doing this video. But if I wanted to make things easier for myself, I needed to use my iPhone so I can get my navigation on the screen. Now I ain't go front, I'm starting to get kind of used to this iPhone now, but I still prefer my Fold obviously, so that's why I'm getting this. This is gonna make it where I can use my Fold again and I'll have a way bigger screen to work with. So looking on the front of the box again, we got wireless car charger compatible with Galaxy Z, so that's gonna be the Fold and the Flip. So that means the Flip 3, the Flip 5G, the original Flip, we got the Fold 2, we got all those phones. Now I don't got my original Fold today, but I do got the Fold 2 and the Fold 3. We'll go and try that out, and we'll try it with cases. And then we got the actual wireless car charger itself. So the only whack thing about this is, and shout out to Gregos TV because I watch his video, so go ahead and subscribe to his channel. He said in his video that there's only an air vent mount, which is actually pretty garbage because, like, at least in my car, it's gonna block the actual screen, so I can't use the screen. Now, in his comment section, somebody actually made a good comment, which I don't know what their name is, but I'll leave a screenshot on here right now. But basically what their comment says that it looks like Samsung's just using the regular Garmin ball mount, so you can just go ahead and grab one of those Windows suction cup mounts and then just attach the Samsung charger with it. So once we get to the car, I'll go ahead and try that out because I actually got one. Anyway, on the left side, we got wireless car charger in all these languages. On the right side, we got the same thing, and on the back, we actually got some info here. So it's actually gonna be a 9-watt fast wireless charger, so 9 watts. It's not gonna be 15 watts or anything. But we also got the auto clamping system, which I'm used to by now, so I'm glad I don't gotta use the manual one anymore. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the box, man. Let's go and cut this tape. Got tape number 1. Now for tape number 2. All right, let's go ahead and get into the box now. So let's just go ahead and see what's up inside this thing. I never really checked out the unboxing that well, at least on Gregos TV's video, so I just need to go ahead and see what's up with this myself. So we got a user manual here, but you know what we do with that. We're gonna throw it to the side as usual, and we're not gonna get a special unboxing or anything. It's just a wireless car charger here, so just taking this out, this wrapping right here. There it is. It's pretty big. That's what she said. Yeah, I know. But this is how it works, and we have a sensor right here, so it'll detect when the phone is actually in the mount. And basically how this works is, it looks like you can put your phone in here folded, but how you probably want to do it is unfold it, and then I don't really want to push this down, but it'll just sit there like that. Again, I'll show y'all this once we get to the car, and then it does actually use the Garmin ball mount, so we can actually use a Windows suction cup mount, which I'll show you that again when we get to the car. Looking in the rest of the box, we actually have the window mount here, as you can see. So again, I don't really think I'm gonna use this. It's just not gonna work for my situation, but you can actually go ahead and separate this and everything if you want to, so that's dope. And also inside the box, we have a Type A to Type C cable, so we don't have a car charger or anything. It's just the actual cord, and it's not really that long. But we also got this clip fastener here for this, but that's optional. You don't need to use this. But taking a quick look around this, you can see that we got some text here in the back, so it says Samsung wireless car charger, and then we got the volts and everything that it takes. And at the bottom, we got a USB-C port with 2 buttons here on the side, so you can go ahead and manually release it. Alright, so at this point, there's really nothing else to do except to go ahead and try this out in the car, so we'll go ahead and get this thing installed, and I'll get back to y'all. And once we get to the car, we'll go ahead and try it with a whole bunch of different phones here. So we got the Fold 3, we got the Fold 2, we have the iPhone we'll try it with, we have a Pixel we'll get, we have the S22, we have all these phones that we'll go ahead and try to make sure it charges and stuff. We'll try case, no case, see how it works when we're driving, and just put it to the test. Alright, so we made it to the car, and as you can see, it actually does fit on here. So it does use a standard Garmin ball mount. So I do got it on here with the window suction cup, but the only thing that sucks about this car is that there's not much clearance here, as you can see, with the window and the dash. But you can see I got this thing all set up here and everything, but I'm not using the original cable. I'm actually using a different one. It's still Samsung though. One thing that sucks about this car is that there's only one outlet in this car, so I have to run it kind of far into the armrest, so that's why I had to get a longer cable that came with my Galaxy Book S. But as you can see here, if I go ahead and take my Fold 3 over here and put it right into this, it opens by itself, and it'll go ahead and close, and now I got my Fold just sitting right there. As you can see, this thing is dope, man. I'm loving it so far. So I got the Fold 3 right here, it's charging everything. I can go ahead and also turn it here, and then I could be able to get the landscape orientation. But like I was telling y'all, this setup here ain't really working out because it's hitting the window right now, so I need to get this figured out. And now it's blocking it with this mirror here, so I'm gonna have to mount this on the dash because the car really ain't that tall here. But I can go ahead and turn this back here, and if I go ahead and take this out real quick and fold the phone, now let's go ahead and try and put this in again. And as you can see here, it actually does stay in there. So if I wanted to, I could just use my Fold 3, just fold it like that. And that's with the case on, so the case off should be even better, which we're actually gonna do right now. So as you can see, I have the case off. So now let's go ahead and throw this in the mount here, and there we go. Now it's charging everything with the 9 watts. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take this back out here. We're gonna go ahead and grab our Z Fold 2 here. So let's go ahead and unfold this. Let's go ahead and put it in the mount. And as you can see right there, that's also charging. So let me go ahead and turn this on real quick. Fast wireless charging. Next up, we got the Z Flip 3 here, which obviously is not going to work when it's folded because it's just not going to fit. So let's just go ahead and unfold this real quick, and let's go and throw that in there. And as you can see, it fits. And is it charging? I don't see it charging. So we might have to flip this around. So let's just go ahead and take it this way. And now let's go ahead and put the Z Flip 3 in there. It should be able to charge after we get this thing open again. And yep, there we go. So what I had to do was just flip it around, and now it's charging. And as you can see here, let me go ahead and turn the screen back on. It is fast wireless charging. We got the Flip 5G, and now let's go ahead and throw that up in there real quick. And as you can see, it is now charging. Let me go and turn on the screen, fast wireless charging. And then we got the original Flip. So throwing that in there, as you can see, again, it's charging. So basically, if you want to charge your Flip, you need to go ahead and put it this orientation. But if you want to go and charge your Fold, it's this way. Now, one thing I don't like about this is that either direction, you're still gonna have the cables just kind of sticking out like that unless you put your phone in landscape mode. So that's the flip phones. Let's go and try a regular phone now. So we got the S22 Ultra right here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and throw that in the mount real quick. And let's see if it does anything. I think the phone is off right now though. Yeah, it is. And there you go. As you can see there, we got the lightning bolt. So it's going to start charging here in a second, and we should see the super fast charging icon. And there we go. So we got the fast wireless charging icon. So it's charging right now. Next up, we got an iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and throw that in there real quick. And there you go. As you can see, that's now charging, so that's dope. Dude, just like getting all up in my video right now though. All right, so now we got the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go and throw that in there. And it's gonna take a little bit again because the phone is off, but we'll just wait for that. I see it wasn't the best idea to come to the lakefront, even though it looks like it's in the background. There's 65,000 people coming by. All right, so we do got a lightning bolt icon right here, so that is looking pretty dope. And last up, S20 Ultra charge test. Let's go and throw that in real quick with the case on, and let's see if anything pops up. Again, the phone is off, and you can see right there it is charging. So good to hear, because I heard with cases it's kind of a problem with this charger, but just trying this out, it's not a problem for me. Now maybe with something like an OtterBox is gonna have problems, but that's gonna be pretty much any car wireless charger or just any car holder in the first place. Look at my dude over here on the electric scooter. I should have brought mine. Now just riding around this thing on the raggedy streets of Kenosha where I live at, it's actually been holding pretty well. Like even with all the bumps and everything that we have on these roads and just potholes, it's still holding pretty good. Now you're probably wondering why I came so far in this video without talking about the actual part that came with it. And that's simply because it just won't fit in these air vents. Like I tried, and with these small air vents right here, it's not gonna get in there. Now I do got other vehicles at the house I can go ahead and try it in, but at least in here with these small air vents, it's just not gonna work out, which is pretty trash in my opinion. Now I'm gonna go and cut the video right here, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this. And as you can see here, I do got it on the dash now, and it's working out a lot better for me, so that's actually pretty good news. I'm really hyped about this because like I already told y'all, I do DoorDash and Instacart recently, and just having this big screen right here is gonna do me a lot of good. Anyway man, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But if you want to go ahead and get one of these mounts that you can put on your dash or your windshield, I'll go and leave some links down below in the description, but you can find these pretty much anywhere on Amazon and Walmart, for example. But all right man, I'm up out of here, so hopefully you enjoyed this again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out. Now when this car turns off, it actually loses power to its outlet. So one good question is, will this thing actually open once you actually cut off the power to the car? So let's try that real quick. Cut off the power, and now let's see if it still opens. Ah, it does. Let's go. And it closes back, so that's nice. Now can I open it again? No, you have to turn the car back on for that one. But once it is back on, as you can see, it's opening back up as soon as I put my phone back.